Question number 1. Consider the following events. 1. The first democratically elected Communist Party government formed in a state in India. 2. India's then largest bank, Imperial Bank of India, was renamed State Bank of India. 3. Air India was nationalized and became the national carrier. 4. Goa became a part of independent India. Which of the following is the correct chronological sequence of the above events? A. 4123, B. 3214, C. 4213, D. 3124. The correct option is B. Question number 2. Right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic part of right to life and personal liberty. Which of the following in the Constitution of India correctly and appropriately imply the above statements? A. Article 14 and the provisions under the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution. B. Article 17 and the directive principles of state policy in Part 4. C. Article 21 and the freedoms guaranteed in Part 3. D. Article 24 and the provisions under the 44th Amendment to the Constitution. The correct option is C. Question number 3. Consider the following. 1. Areca nut. 2. Barley. 3. Coffee. 4. Finger millet. 5. Groundnut. 6. Sesame. 7. Turmeric. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has announced the minimum support price for which of the above? A. 1, 2, 3 and 7 only. B. 2, 4, 5 and 6 only. C. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The correct option is B. Question number 4. In which one of the following states is Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary located? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Manipur. C. Meghalaya. D. Nagaland. The correct option is A. Question number 5. With reference to India's satellite-launched vehicles, consider the following statements. 1. PSLVs launch the satellite useful for Earth resources monitoring, whereas GSLVs are designed mainly to launch communication satellite. 2. Satellites launched by PSLV appear to remain permanently fixed in the same position in the sky as viewed from a particular location on Earth. 3. GSLV Mk3 is a 4-staged launch vehicle with first and third stages using and fourth stages using liquid rocket engines. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 2. D. 3 only. The correct option is A. Question number 6. With reference to the governance of public sector banking in India, consider the following statements. 1. Capital infusion into public sector banks by the Government of India has steadily increased in the last decade. 2. To put the public sector banks in order, the merger of associate banks with the parent State Bank of India has been effected. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct option is B. Question number 7. Consider the following items. 1. Cereal grains hulled. 2. Chicken eggs cooked. 3. Fish processed and canned. 4. Newspaper containing advertising material. Which of the above items are exempted under GST goods and services tax? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is C. Question number 8. Consider the following statements. 1. The definition of critical wildlife habitat is incorporated in the Forest Rights Act, 2006. 2. For the first time in India, bay tigers have been given habitat rights. 3. Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change officially decides and declares habitat rights for primitive and vulnerable tribal groups in any part of India. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is A. Question number 9. Consider the following. 1. Birds. 2. Dust blowing. 3. Rain. 4. Wind blowing. Which of the above spread plant diseases? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is D. Question number 10. With reference to organic farming in India, consider the following statements. 1. The National Programme for Organic Production (NPOP) is operated under the guidelines and directions of the Union Ministry of Rural Development. 2. The Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, a PEDA, functions as the secretariat for the implementation of NPOP. 3. Sikkim has become India's first fully organic state. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is B. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for instant notification. To know more about competitive exams, how to prepare and free counseling classes, contact us. Contact details are mentioned in description.